Alright, after far too long, I broke stuff. Reordered it. On the last update, one of you commented that the shop manual would be a good place to look for details on how to assemble the brakes. Well, you were absolutely correct. I've had the shop manual since I bought the car. I just didn't think to look in it for brakes. My bad. The one thing I'm noticing different is the adjuster in the picture is shown on that side, but seems to fit only on this side, seeing as all the adjusters I have only fit there. The mechanics look like they should work as this pushes out, pulls that back, pulls that up, and the adjuster unscrews in that direction. So, that spring, that fat spring, the adjuster, wires, those springs. Anyhow, I have extra parts that I guess are only there for the emergency brake that are not needed for the front, since the front does not have a mechanical or emergency brake, only the rear. The inner race is already packed. Time to pack this one. And I'll get back to you. Now that we've got that nicely in place, on goes the keyed washer. And castle nut. This will get, I believe, tightened till snug, then backed off so this rotates freely. So I think it's like snug and then back one mark so you can put the key in. I will double check that in the book before I put the key in. And the wheel is back on temporarily until I can get some cutter pins. And it turns nicely. Gotta do something about that one bolt. It needs some repair done to the thread.